discerning drivers will appreciate the 2015 Ram 3500. With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup stands out from the crowd, boasting a diverse range of features and remarkable value. Top features include a split folding rear seat, voice-activated navigation, a bedliner, and power seats. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. Power adjustable pedals allow the driver to optimize his or her driving position, enhancing visibility, comfort, and safety. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, traction control, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. We'd also be happy to help you arrange financing for your vehicle. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.